Hello, Alison. Thanks for stopping by. Honey, as you share your date of birth, 11 November 77, and you asked two questions basically. As you know, I have multiple divination tools and methods to give you insight, but as we have less timing, I would like to go ahead with numerology now. So your first question is when you see my career going, where you see my career going. Dear Alison, as I can see, you are 11 November. So basically you are a moon child by birth, and being a moon child, you are a born creative person, and we can say an inner artist. So if you have any planning to go ahead with these sectors or industry or with these interests, it would be really great and stable career in future. But if you are not thinking about these sectors or something related to this, that's completely okay. You can own your business to get stability and good financial status in future. But honey, I would like to stress one thing, that you are not basically a born job person. So you can face multiple times struggle and unnecessary hustle in your job related career. So I would like to suggest that's okay to doing job now, for now only, because uh, to own any business we need some skills and some experience as well to so job is okay for now to give some experience and skills as well, but it is not a good option to go ahead lifelong. Now, if I see your second question is, I also would like to ask my boyfriend Jeff. He's cheating, and we haven't talked much lately. What do you see this unfolding, honey? As I can see, it would be great if you did share his date of birth as well, but that's okay. I can go ahead with gypsy cards, or we can say bitchy cards, because I don't have Jeff's DOB. So card would be our best divination tool to guide us for your question. So I'm using monology cards, or we can say gypsy cards, or we can say witchy cards. So your as your first card saying, uh, I I picked two cards here, and as these cards saying, first is the black cat, and the second is the skull. Both cards are suggesting. I can understand that's true that Jeff is talking or involving with someone else right now, but honey, he really attests with you and still feels for you. And as these cards saying, it can be possible that he will reconnect with you within next 15 days, because no doubt he is trying to explore more about partners using dating sites as well. I'm sorry if my words hurting you in any way, but if we go ahead with these card suggestions, you both will reconcile definitely. Just have patience and keep doing and keep trying your best, and keep doing your manifestation as well, because as I can see with energies, because I don't have Jeff's DOB, as I can see with both of your energies, you seems life partners as well. So don't worry honey, I can understand this phase can be little difficult and painful for you, but trust me, universe already working in your favor now. So but still I would like to suggest, if we if you have any further questions, you can connect me on personal call so that I will be dig deeper about it, because you didn't share Jeff's TOB here. So I think we still have some potential to dig deeper about this situation. So let's connect on personal call or chat, And I hope my consultation can give you little insight and little clarification about your future steps and possibilities. Thank you. Take care. Bye.